Hey guys, I'm Kate and welcome to my Patreon site. This is Ellie and she's gonna probably be in many videos. I'm starting this Patreon channel because I really want to make art my full-time income, and that's one of the opportunities that's gonna allow me to do that. I paint wildlife and pet portraits in soft pastels and pastel pencils, and I mainly use pastelmat and velour paper. So you'll have to bear with me because I'm very new to pastels, so I'm learning a lot myself, and I just started in summer 2018, so it's recently, a couple of months ago. I will be posting tutorial videos at least 1 hour long each month, and I will also be sharing some reference photos with you. So on my channel I have only one pledge level for now. Maybe that's gonna change in the future, but yeah, if you would like to support my work, that would be great. So the first goal would be for Ellie to go to childcare, to a nursery for a couple of hours a day so I could dedicate more time to my art videos. And the second goal would be to get better equipment so I can make better videos in the future. So if you'd like to support that, that would be amazing. Thank you for checking out my Patreon channel. I hope I will be seeing you here more often, and I will also see you on YouTube as I have my own YouTube channel as well. So yeah, thank you.
Go!
So I have only one pledge level. If you would like to... Should I stop talking? Mm-hmm. Yes?
No.
So on my channel I have only one pledge level for now.
Go! Go!
Okay. So if you would like to support